We also have homeschooling facility, online homeschooling facility. So children can be taught online. Then what are the government provisions we have for these kids? That's mentioned here. And of course, worksheets and mind maps also available. So this entire program is, this one is a 6-month membership, which costs 5,997. This is a lifetime membership, the gold membership, which is 12,997. And this is a 1-year membership. Okay. So again, if you take 6 months or 12 months, the problem is you have to renew every year. So again, I suggest go for this 12,997 membership, where you get all the courses, you get certificate, you get coaching, you get support. You also get students to teach once you become a tutor. If you are a tutor, if you want to become a tutor. Okay. So those of you who have attended my workshop today for the last 1 hour, anyone who wants to become a remedial tutor, then I'll tell you there is a special offer only today. If you're interested in becoming an online remedial tutor or even offline remedial tutor, you have a very special offer today. If you are, please type yes. Please type yes. I will share a link for you. Generally, the price is 12,997, but for today, it's a different price. Okay, Nikita. So this is a special offer for you. Today, it is available at 7,999 because you've spent your 1 valuable hour trying to understand what is the difficulty of the child. You can click this link, make the payment, join our platform, become a member of our community, learn continuously. Not only that, I keep doing a lot of free workshops for people in my community, lots of things. This month we had workshops on breathing, we had workshops on art, how to use art to teach, how you can shift the emotional problems of the child using art. Some of them are members of my community. They will definitely agree with me that we do a lot of things in our community. So if you have any questions, I am here for all open for questions.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yeah, Nisha.
Yeah, ma'am. For me, I don't remember if you recollect me with Venika. We had taken with Tanveen, ma'am. It was like last year. We have taken the sessions, but still, I have not yet come to the problem. And last time also I'd asked you, like, ma'am, I still don't know what the problem is. In this workshop, a few things I just noted down. I want to ask you that according to you, is it possible that a child is lacking for one thing in a different ability? Like, for example, reading is fine, writing is an issue, maths is fine, what problems is an issue, and for dyspraxia, what you told me is like the rest all things are fine, but only the messiness, only that one part. So this can be possible that there is a learning difficulty related, or it's like, some people are destined to be like, nature wise also they're like that. So how would we find out? For me, my main issue is I've still, since 1.5 years or 2 years, I've still not come to know the issue. I'm ready to help her, but how would I come to know the issue? I've gone to many people, I've changed schools, but for me still the issue is that I have just not got the root cause, or not the root cause, the problem.
Actually, my suggestion is, why do you want to know the issue? Is it not more important that we solve the problem? It's like,
Yes, exactly.
when the parents used to come to me, they would want to know whether the child, many parents don't come out of the fear that what something is diagnosed, or they will say, no, my problem.
Right. The acceptance is a little.
My child has no problem.
Right.
He's okay. So my method, what I've practiced for 20 years is, I agree your child has no problem, but
okay.
but he's not performing. Do you want him to perform? I said, yes, we want. Do you want help? Yes, we want help. Are you willing to take help? Yes, we are willing to take. Then take help. Simple, no? Why do you need to know whether it is category A, category B, category C, category D? It's more important that my child can be helped. What does a doctor do when you
Yeah,
go
exactly.
to a
But
doctor?
for me, yeah.
When you go to a doctor saying, I have a stomachache, he will ask a few questions and diagnose. He will not tell
Right,
you
right,
all the history, medical history of the stomachache. He will tell,
right.
take one medicine in the morning, one in the evening. In between, you drink water. Your problem will be solved. So I look at a problem
Right,
as a doctor always.
right,
My job is to give every
right,
parent a solution for their child so that they forget that they ever had a problem.
right.
I recently met one of the parents who met me 20 years ago. The boy today is architect, and he's working at least for 5 firms, designing amazing things.
Wow.
He was always good at drawing.
Wow.
And I always told the mother, please focus on his art. Please focus on his calculation ability. And the mother did it. Today he's a master's in architect and he's making good money. And I asked him, do you remember he ever had a problem? And I always told her, do you want that problem or you want solution? The approach has to change here.